hell happened to your legs, man?
Don't eat dinner.
Clementine! Don't eat that!
What?
Huh?
Mark is upstairs with his fucking legs cut off! You're eating him!
That's crazy.
The hell?
Like y'all.
Clementine, run!
Nobody's going anywhere.
We got lots of use for y'all right here.
What the what? The fucking what?
Put your guns down! We're walking out of here!
My fucking family.
I don't want to die. Mommy, what did I eat?
Everyone, everything will be okay!
Lee? Lee?
Let go of her, you son of a bitch!
Please. Someone.
Clementine!
It was a person. They tried to make us eat a person.
But you didn't do it.
No.
The rest of us did, goddammit! If you hadn't dragged your feet!
Come on, Dad. Now's not the time.
What happened?
The man hit you.
They threw us in the meat locker.
Lee, we gotta get out of here. If they so much as touch my family, I'll kill those sons of bitches.
Get us out, you sons of bitches!
Dad! Please settle down!
I'll rip your goddamn head! I'll break that damn door down!
Dad, you can't get... Easy!
Oh, God.
Dad? No! Dad, come on! Dad! Oh, God, he stopped breathing. I think he's had a heart attack.
Shit. Is he dead?
He's not dead! Somebody help me!
Fuck. If he's dead,
He's not dead!
what has to happen, Lee? Think about it. You saw that poor bastard at the motel? How fast he turned?
What are you saying?
Lily, I'm sorry. I truly am. But in a few minutes, we're gonna be stuck in a locked room with a 6'4", 300-pound, seriously pissed off dead guy.
Fuck you! We can bring him back! Lee!
We'll mourn him later. But right now, we have to keep him from coming back.
No! God damn it, Kenny! He's not dead!
Maybe you're right.
No, god damn it! My dad survived worse than this! No! Please! No!
God help us. I'm sorry. I
Don't
know
you fucking touch me!
Clementine. You had something I could use as a screwdriver, a coin or something.
No.
What about him? Look, I know this is a terrible time for it, but back at the motor inn, Larry mentioned something about keeping coins in his pockets.
In other words, my father's more useful to you dead than alive.
If he was alive and had the key to getting us out of here, do you think he'd keep it to himself?
What do you want? My blessing to loot his corpse?
Your permission.
Do what you have to do.
Here we go. 2 quarters and a dime.
There's our way out, Lee.
Clementine can fit through.
Looks like it'll probably lead right into that back room.
Are you okay? Did anyone see you?
No, but there's a man outside.
Lily, we gotta go.
Leave me alone.
Lee, I can see him. human slaughterhouse.
Let's go.
Stay close.
Seriously, how long am I supposed to stay in here? What the hell could they be talking about in our house? Ain't no big debate needed. Keep some alive for
Dad, what are you doing outside the barn?
Oh, shit!
Just guarding the place like you said.
Quit sitting out in the rain like a damn deer.
What's he doing out there?
Mama says we can't keep that many folks alive and not expect trouble. Pick one to keep and kill the rest.
I'll keep an eye on it. Be ready to act when I say.
Not the
See what
kids.
he's doing now.
Enough meat on the trail.
What's going
Oh,
on?
I know, Mabel. This is my favorite part, too. When I let one think they can just walk
Lee,
right
focus.
out
Where's Danny?
and never even look down.
Where's my family, asshole? You can't have them. We need the vet.
No!
Can't! Lee, come on!
Just go. I won't be far behind.
You see? You understand now, don't you? You can have me. It's how the world works now. Give part of yourself so others can live.
Mark never volunteered to be food!
You gotta keep me alive. If you kill me, the meat gets tainted. You can't eat it.
You're already tainted.
You ain't gonna kill me.
This is not how the world works now. You won't make me kill you!
Fuck you, Lee. You and Kenny murder my dad, but you leave this piece of shit alive? Fucking asshole.
Carly!
Lee?
Ow! Shit! Is everyone okay? We heard screams as we were coming up to the house.
They attacked us!
I knew it. I told you we couldn't trust them.
Shit! How many of them are there?
2 left.
Where?
Larry's dead! They chopped off Mark's legs and tried to feed him to us!
Shit! Is everyone else okay?
They've still got Duck and Katja in the house, and I don't know where the fuck Kenny is.
All right, we're coming in to help.
The main gate is too dangerous. Go around the fence and see if there's a back way in. I'll keep looking for Kenny. Do you have a weapon?
I don't leave home without it. Ben, stick close. And Lee, be careful.
Andy? Danny, is that you? What's going on out there?
Yeah, it's me. Want to do this?
Just go away and leave us be! Stop right there! I mean it!
Think about what you're doing. It doesn't have to end like this.
I'll kill her, Lee!
Just let me go.
Stay back! Don't do anything stupid! Ah! Ah! Ah!
They took Doug. Where's Kenny?
I said don't move, asshole! Don't you fucking hurt him!
Oh my god.
Let him
Let go, goddammit!
That ain't gonna happen.
Andy, don't!
Shut up!
Andy!
Who the fuck do you people think you are? Look at what you done!
Shut the fuck up.
You think I'm playing here, boy? All we wanted was gas. We came to you peacefully. Get up! Get the fuck up!
Lily, help!
Is that all you got, Lee? You ain't shit!
It's over!
Fuck you! As soon as Dad and Mama get out here, you're all fucked!
They're both dead.
What did you do? What the fuck did you do? Don't you dare walk away from me, Lee! Get back here and finish this, Lee! Get back here and fight me like a man, Lee! Lee!
They're getting in!
Lee!
Let's go. Don't shoot! We're here to help! Figures.
Oh, crap. Baby, you gotta see this. It's a shitload of food and supplies back here.
This food could save all of us. Not all of us.
Look, we don't know if these people are dead.
If they come back, then we're just monsters who came out of the woods and ruined their lives.
This stuff isn't ours. Dad, whose car is it?
Don't worry about that, Duck. It's ours now.
It's abandoned, Ducky. Don't worry.
What if it's not? Well, what if it's not abandoned? What if it is someone's?
You're right. We shouldn't take this.
What? Did you get some meal back there the rest of us missed out on? We have to take this stuff.
Clementine and I don't want any part of this.
We're starving. Suit yourself. The rest of us are taking this stuff. Okay, what have we got in here?
Look, there's more food in that box.
They have antibiotics. What else do they have?
See if there's any water.
Here. Got it?
Yeah, I got it.
Lee, there's a hoodie in here. Could probably fit Clementine.
She's good. Thanks.
Whatever, man. It's gonna get cold out eventually.